I welcome you, my viewers, to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to solve this simple problem. Now, if you are given this simple problem to solve, simplify 431 base 5 plus 213 base 4 and leave your answer in base 2. As a student, you need to know that this topic is from number basis. Okay, so we have base 5, base 4, and they want us to add them together. Then after adding them together, they want us to convert it back to, base 2. That's base 2 is known as binary number. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to convert this 431 base 5 to base 10 using a process known as expansion process. When we expand this 431 with the base 5, the result is going to give us base 10 answer. Then the same thing applies to this. We expand 213 with the base 4. The answer is going to give us something in base 10. Then we'll be able to add them together, just as they said we should do here. After adding them together, the next thing, which is the last stage, will be to convert that our answer to base 2. Look at how it is done. 431 base 5. If you want to expand it, that is, want to convert it to base 10, it's going to be 4 times, just open a bracket. You multiply by the base, which is 5. Then you have picked 1 digit. The remaining 2 digits, that's 3 and 1. That 2 will be on top. That is, we call it index. Okay, then plus the remaining one is 3. We pick 3, multiply 3 by the base, which is 5. Then raise to power. The next digit there is 1 digit, which is left. Then plus the last one, which is 1. Then times the base, which is 5. Then raise to power. Since nothing is no more digit, we have selected all the digits. We have selected 4, 3, and 1. That means the next thing is 0 on top of the 5. Okay, so always make sure that the base is raised to power 0 whenever you expand at the last part of that expansion. Now let's open the bracket. 5 raised to power 2 means 5 times 5, which is 25. Okay, now 25 multiplied by 4 will give you 100. That means you have 100 here. Plus 5 raised to power 1 means only single 5. Multiply single 5 by 3, we have 15. Plus any number that is raised to power 0 is 1. Even if it is 1 million. If it is raised to power 0, that 1 million becomes 1. If it is 20 million, or if it is 5 or 6 or 7, so long as it is raised to power 0, the answer is 1. So multiply 1 by 1, we have 1. All right. Now let's add up together. 100 plus 15 give us 115. 115 plus 1 will give us 116. This is the answer to this expansion. And this expansion now has given us 116 to base 10. Base 10 is otherwise called decimal number. That is why sometimes some people don't bother to put base 10. Anytime you see a number written like this without any base, it means it is a base 10 automatically. Okay, so you can comfortably call it 116. But you cannot call this 431 because it's not in base 10. That is as simple as that. Okay, the same thing applies to this. Let's expand this. We have 213 base 4. Let's expand it. It's going to be 2 times 4 raised to power 2. Okay, because you have only 3 digits, you pick 2, remaining 2. Then plus 1 times 4 raised to power what now? 1. Then the last one is plus 3 times 4 raised to power 0. Okay, we open up the brackets. 4 raised to power 2 means 4 times 4, which is 16. 16 multiplied by 2 will give you 32. So we have 32 here, plus 4 raised to the power 1 means 4. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 4 raised to the power 0, as I've said before, is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Let's add up together. We have 32 plus 4 is 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. And remember, this 39 is also in base 10. But because it is a base 10 number, you can do away with the base. All right. Therefore, we've been able to convert this from base 5 to base 10. We've been able to convert this from base 4 to base 10. Now we are going to add them together because they say we should add them together. After adding them together, the sum will be converted to base 2, and that will be the final answer. Okay, we say therefore 116 plus 39 equals, because they say we should add up. Now let's add up. I don't like using calculator, so that's why I like to show you all steps. Let's add it here. 116 plus 39. Let's see. 9 plus 6 gives us 15. We write 5, carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus this one, 5. 1 plus 14 is 1. So the answer is 115. So what we have here is 115 base 10. But since it is base 10, we may not bother to write it. Okay, so we've been able to, convert base 5 and base 4 to base 10, and we've also been able to add up the sum, the sum, and the sum we have 115. The next thing now we are going to do is to convert this 115 to a base 2 number. Remember, base 2 is otherwise called binary. And anytime you want to convert a number that is in base 10 to a binary number, we use a process known as division process. Okay, so let's clean up this place so that we have enough space for the division. All right, so we are converting 115 from base 10 to base 2. Okay, the process is this. Draw your line. We are converting this, which is 115, to base 2. So we are going to use 2 to divide. Now, the answer is going to be the remainder of this division. Is going to be the answer. Okay, let's do. 2 divide 1 is not possible. But 2 can divide 11 to give us 5. That is 10. Remainder 1. Carry that one, join 5. We have 15. 2 divide 15 is 7. That is 14. Remember what? 1. Go again. 2. 2 divide 5 is 2. That is 4. Remember 1. 2 divide 17 is 8. That is 16. Remember 1. 2 divide 17, that's 16. Remember 1. 8. 2 divide 17 will give us 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Remember 1. Then we have 2 again. 2 divide 2 is 1. 2 divide 8 is 4. No remainder. We put 0. 2 again. 2 cannot divide 1, but 2 can divide 14. 2 divide 14 will give us 7. No remainder. 2 can divide 7 again, and there will be remainder. 2 divide 7 will give us 3. That's 6. Remember 1. Remember 1. 2 divide 3 will give us 1. Remember 1. 2 cannot divide 1. So if 2 divide 1, it's not possible. So we put 0 here. Carry this one, come down. Okay? Because 1 will always be remaining because nobody will divide. 2 cannot divide it. Okay, so your answer now becomes like this, as the arrow goes from down to up. The answer, let's put the answer here. The answer will be, as the arrow goes, let me find a space to write it down here. The answer will be 1 1, 1. We're counting 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, is 2. That's the final answer to this problem. So if you want to state it, you can say, therefore, 4, 3, 1 base 5 plus 2, 1, 3 base 4 equals 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 to base 2. And that's the final answer. So this is how to solve simple problems like this. Anytime you see a problem like this is just the simplest way of solving the problem. So I believe you'll be able to understand how you can solve such problems. So please, if you benefited something from this tutorial, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel, like my channel and subscribe, so that you'll be receiving subsequent solutions. Thank you, and may God bless you.